Well, all of us have studied in our school that 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. But 1 minus 1 is also equals to 1. Let's see and tell me if I'm wrong. As we know that 2 is equals to 2 and minus 2 is equals to minus 2. This minus 2 can be written as 1 minus 3 is equals to, this minus 2 can also be written as 4 minus 6. Now expand this term can be written as 1 square minus 3 is equals to 4 is equals to 2 square minus 6. Now this can also be written as 1 square minus 1 multiplied 3 is equals to 2 square minus 2 multiplied 3. This further can be written as 1 square minus 1 multiplied 3. Here multiply by 2 and divide by 2 is equals to 2 square minus 2 multiplied 3. Here also multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So this becomes 1 square minus 1 multiply 3 divided by 2 multiply 2 is equals to 2 square minus 2 multiply 3 divided by 2 multiply by 2. Now we are going to add 3 by 2 square on both sides of the equation. So this is further simplifies to 1 square minus 1 multiplied 3 by 2 multiply 2 plus 3 divided by 2 square equals to 2 square minus 2 multiply 3 divided by 2 multiply by 2 plus 3 divided by 2 whole square. Now these terms in both sides of the equation are in the form of a minus b square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2a multiplied b. Here in this case a equals to 1 and b equals to 3 by 2, and here a equals to 2 and b equals to 3 divided by 2. So this further simplifies to 1 minus 3 divided by 2 square, which is equals to 2 minus 3 divided by 2 square. So cancel out this. 1 minus 3 by 2 is equals to 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 must cancel out. So 1 is equals to 2. Now subtract minus 1 on both sides of the equation. So this becomes 1 minus 1 equals to 2 minus 1 is 1. So this equation is being solved to 1 minus 1 is equals to 1. So if you think this solution is wrong, then tell me where I have committed the mistake. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel for such amazing videos.